Microorganisms can be classified into different categories. They can be bacteria, they can be fungi, they can be protozoan, even they can be algae. When I say bacteria, logically bacteria are prokaryotes, means they do not have well-defined nucleus. In short, I can say nucleus is absent. So where is the genetic material present? It is present in the cytoplasm freely. When I talk about fungi, these are eukaryotes, means they have well-developed nucleus. Their genetic material, that is DNA, is inside the nucleus. The next category is protozoa. What do you mean by this word proto? Proto means first. Zoa means animal. First animal ever created on this earth, protozoans. And last category, we say algae. Viruses, when we talk about, we don't include them under the category of living organism. You know why? Because viruses, they are on the threshold of the life. So what do you mean by this word, threshold of the life? It simply means one thing, that when that virus is inside the body or in the host, they are living. But the moment they come out of the host, they are dead. Means they are neither living nor dead. Their position is going to define whether they will work or not. Viruses are such microscopic that they reproduce only inside the host. Like the other bacteria, plants or animals, it is totally different. Viruses do not eat food. Viruses do not grow. At the same time, viruses do not respire. So therefore, we are always confused where to place viruses in the classification system. As a result, till date, viruses have not been given any place. There are many diseases which are caused by viruses. Even though they are on the threshold of the life, they have the potential to kill you. Till then, this is Sunil Sir saying goodbye to you. Thank you very much.